Hey guys, how's it going? Joshua Elder here with another video for you guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make $400 a day using the affiliate marketing business model and just Facebook. And this is going to be a Facebook free method for you guys. So if you want to learn how to build an online business without spending any money or risking any money out of pocket, then this is definitely the video for you. And before we dive into the content, make sure that you subscribe to this channel. I'm uploading videos on a daily basis right now, teaching you how to build a life and business full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. So if you're brand new to the channel, I want to personally welcome you to this channel. This channel is all about helping you build an online business that allows you an independent lifestyle to do, be, and have whatever it is that you would like in life. And if you're coming back to the channel, I want to welcome you guys back. And in this video, I'm going to reveal to you guys a formula that I've been using on Facebook for the past about 4 or 5 years now. And this is about 10% of where my traffic comes from online. You know, YouTube is where most of my traffic, if you guys, have been watching this channel for any certain amount of time, you understand that my primary traffic source is in fact YouTube. If you don't know what traffic is, it's just simply visitors to your website, right? Visitors to a video like this as well. So it's just anybody that's going from one place to another place online, that's considered a visitor or considered traffic, right? So with that said, let's go ahead and dive into the content and we'll talk a little bit more in depth about this formula. So Facebook, man, Facebook is really, really fun to monetize on. And let me first give you the don'ts of what not to do on Facebook. Don't spam your affiliate link straight from Clickbank, right? And if you guys are just getting started with Clickbank, I will leave a link in the description here that will show you how to pick the right products in Clickbank. As we know, Clickbank is a digital marketplace, right? You can see that I did over $400 yesterday, April 10th, and we're going to break down exactly how I've been able to do this. But for those of you guys that don't know what Clickbank is and you're completely foreign to it, it's simply a marketplace full of digital products, not physical products like Amazon, but digital products that you can choose to promote on behalf of the product owner. So the product owner will pay you a certain percentage of commissions to make a sell on their product. So they're doing all the heavy lifting, all the hard work. They're creating the products. They're creating the sales material for the products. They're creating pretty much all the pages and even some of the email follow-ups that you can use on their behalf to help you make more sales, because when you make more sales, they make more sales because they get a percentage of the commission. Okay. So with that said, this income is coming from a Clickbank product in the wealth market and in the affiliate marketing niche. Okay. So that's where this sale came from. So I'm promoting somebody else's product, and when I make a sell on that product, they send me a commission. So what I would do is I would go on Facebook and I would promote this product using a unique affiliate link that Clickbank gives me, so all sales can be tracked back to me. Right? So what most people are doing on Clickbank, though, is they're leading with the product and not the personality. I want you guys to write this down. Lead with the personality and not the product. The personality is you. You're actually the business, right? Your business isn't the business, and your product isn't your business. So you want to make sure that you're leading with yourself. For example, if you're promoting a product around weight loss, then you probably want to talk on Facebook about how you were able to go from, maybe being 50 pounds overweight to getting the body of your dreams, right? This is just a hypothetical example. So instead of just telling people about this product that helped you lose 50 pounds, what you want to do is first build a relationship with this audience on Facebook by telling them a story, by telling them, certain concepts and certain stories that you've gone through that have helped you lose that 50 pounds. What is this going to do, right? It's like going on a date for the first time. You don't just ask somebody to marry you on the first date. You want to get to know them. You want to get to know their story. And that's what we're really doing with people on Facebook, is we're strategically positioning ourselves to later create the sell. So we're leading with a relationship. We're leading with our story that's unique, that's completely different than anybody else's story out there. And people will create a connection with you because chances are your audience on Facebook, those that have struggled with weight, for example, will resonate with your story. We're not looking to attract everybody. We're looking to attract people that are typically like us, that have gone through the same struggles, and we all go through struggles in life. And so we sort of want to be vulnerable and be authentic and true and genuine to who we are and show that out on Facebook, because people will trust us more, they'll like us more, and we'll just build a relationship that much faster. So that is crucial. So let me jump to my Facebook wall here. And, I'm just totally real with people on Facebook, you guys. I don't have some front where I'm showing people screenshots of income all the time and me driving Lamborghinis and, partying in mansions and showing stacks of money. That's not my way of marketing, because I don't want to attract that get-rich-quick mindset, that get-rich-quick mentality. And so what I do is I simply, just like on YouTube, I've taught you guys how to document your journey on YouTube, right? Making money by doing what you're already doing, monetizing your life. You see the Kardashians doing it, right? It's so crazy how interested we are in watching reality TV and watching people on Snapchat and Instagram stories and Facebook and watching people live their lives and go to the freaking grocery store or drive down the street. So you may think that, well, my life isn't intriguing. My life's boring. I live in this location. I don't have fun like these people. You don't need to, right? We're not looking to target everybody. People will resonate with where you're at. I can promise you that. There's millions and millions of people in this world, and you have people out there that need to hear your voice. They need to hear your story. And I'm not going, trying to go too inspirational and motivational on you here, but this is just the flat out truth that I'm telling you. So I'm just authentic with people on my Facebook wall. I'm always sharing value. I'm always thinking every time I make a post, how can I help somebody else out there? So this last post was yesterday. I put right now I care less about social media and more about living my life. Oh, and golf, right? So this is to show people that, hey, if you want to make money online, which is my niche, you don't have to constantly post every day and live on Facebook or live on YouTube, right? It's all about having work-life balance, and you don't want to sacrifice your livelihood and your relationships to, be posting and paying attention to what everybody else is doing on Facebook and YouTube. So there's kind of a hidden subliminal message within this message here. Again, there's no intention to sell anything, okay? And I put high quality images right here too. Engaging content, you can see 88 likes here. And just being real with people, guys, that's really half of the formula. And then look, I give people an income update. Now, a lot of you guys might say, well, I don't have, income results. If you're in my niche, right? You may be in a completely different niche, a completely different market. In my market, a lot of people are looking to, get into affiliate marketing and learn how to, make money online and teach others how to do that. They feel like they need proof first, right? And I've said this in my videos before. Guys, if you don't have proof, you stand on the shoulders of giants. You leverage other people's successes. You leverage other gurus out there. You leverage people that have the results that you want, and you share their results along with your own knowledge. But a lot of times, guys, you don't even need to share their results. If you share your story, if you share, what it is that you've gone through in life that has to do with the niche that you're in, because chances are if you're documenting your journey on Facebook or even YouTube, you're naturally going to post what you're passionate about. So whatever it is that you're passionate about, you want to monetize that and find products and services, right, that complement that story and complement your daily activities in life. And, go to Clickbank and go to the marketplace and find out if they sell products that have to do with your passion, right? We talked in the last video about go for the 4 or the 3 markets, right? The 3 primary markets that have the most pain, right, are the health, wealth, and the relationships market. If you can go in and go for a niche within each of those 3 markets, or go for one niche, in any of those markets, then, pick that niche and go deep in it, go really deep in it. And chances are it will be a very profitable niche because it has to do with one of those 3 markets, okay? Super crucial. And you can go to the category section here and you can find all types of products to promote, okay? So with that said, we want to be posting daily content. We want to be posting quality content, right? Especially when you're getting started. If you've got some experience and you've built up a following over here, because the first goal is to get an audience, right? That's the first goal. I've got over almost 5,000 friends plus 3,500 people that follow me. That's like 8,000 people. I have an audience and I can monetize that audience. Most people are trying to monetize before they even have an audience. So you want to make sure that you've built an audience. And the way that you do that is to not go for the quick sell, right? As Gary Vee says, jab, jab, right hook. Give a few jabs and then you can sell, right? Build that audience first and then sell. So really every time I post, I'm like, okay, who do I want to reach today? I understand that they see marketing messages every single day, bombarded by what everybody else is, putting out there. How can I differentiate myself and do something completely different and add value and not act like I'm some slimy salesman trying to sell them something? So I want to always lead with value. Again, April 9th, a couple days ago, another value post. Again, I'm still not selling. I didn't even leave a link in this post here. I just showed people proof, right? And you can show people proof of the weight that you're losing. You can, sort of give them before and after pictures, and you can give them little bits and pieces of value here, but you don't want to show them the solution. You want to pique their interest. You want them to reach out to you to ask you for more information. That's called attraction marketing. So that's the idea here. I didn't leave a link on this post because I wanted people to get hooked and then reach out to me for more information. You want to do the exact same thing. And that's going to give you a higher quality of buyer. What we want to do is we want to make people kind of jump through hoops and pre-qualify them. Because if they jump through more hoops, they're going to be more qualified to buy one of our products. When they do buy one of our products, they're going to be a raving fan and customer for life and people that we want to do business with, right? Again, April 9th, like I said, another long, kind of a semi-long post here, just telling people what's on my mind, right? I talk a little bit about confidence, how to build confidence, my struggles with confidence in the past. People really resonated with it. 110 likes, about like 15 or so comments right here. And so again, just a straight up value post within my niche. Making money online has a lot to do with personal development. Here's another post, getting people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Again, what I want to do is the psychology behind this is I want to cross-pollinate on different platforms. I want to get people from my Facebook over to YouTube, and from YouTube over to Facebook, because we don't know what's going to happen tomorrow. Facebook or YouTube might go under. YouTube might go under. Facebook might go under. So I want to make sure that I have an audience on each of these platforms. But what I would recommend, and I think it's worth the risk to go deep with one platform, once you build an audience on that platform, then cross-pollinate that audience with other platforms. So take that audience to Facebook and then Instagram. Even if that strategy doesn't succeed, you learned a lesson from that, and you can take that lesson and that clarity into other platforms, right? It's, I think knowledge has so much power, right? We already know that. People are afraid to fail, but they don't realize the clarity that they get from failure, because you can't get closer to success unless you have failure. And the more failures that you have, you're going to find out what works and what doesn't work, right? And when you do that, next time you go implement that strategy, you're going to have all these lessons learned, and you're going to be able to achieve success that much quicker. The problem is people aren't willing to go through that because they don't see a tangible price on those failures. They don't realize that failure is actually a positive thing, because you're either paying with your time or with your money. So even if you pay with your time and you fail, that's still worth something in the form of money. So I hope I got that point across. It's essential to be okay with failure to get to success. So again, just trying to get people from different platforms or from Facebook to different platforms. And then April 5th, look, I totally just straight sell right here, straight sell. It's like I've been given value previously for a little while, right? If we scroll down, this is a promotion that I was just running, and here's some value here. Here's some, you know, just happy birthday to my mother here. Some value here. And I had some value here. And then I decided to, you know, straight up go for the sell up here. So that's what you want to do. Value, 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 sell. Jab, 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 right, hook. And that's the formula. Give 3 pieces of value and then sell and include your affiliate link from Clickbank. And that's what's allowed me to make this, you know, type of money that you're seeing. If I go to the dashboard here, this $400 a day right here. So with that said, if you got value from this video, give me a thumbs up, like this video, subscribe to this channel. Okay, I'm always uploading quality videos just like this. And if you would like access to the whole entire formula about how to make money on Clickbank, if you want me to explain it in complete detail, as you know, I would love to do that in this video, but it would be hours and hours and hours long. So if you want everything covered in detail, then click the link below. It's going to lead you to my top recommended system. It's the same system that taught me the skill sets I needed to know to be able to make this type of income. $400 in a day type of income. So if you want access to that formula, click the link in the description. Don't forget to comment below. Are you going to implement Facebook? If you're going to implement Facebook, tell me what niche you're going to go into in the comments below. If you already have a niche, let me know in the comments. I would love to know. Would love to know my audience. And if you guys are, you know, just getting started, or if you've already selected a niche, you've had some success, let me know below, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.